Sullivan on the bars now. Beautiful hit handstand there to start out with. Ooh, unfortunately fell off the bar there, just couldn't seem to grab on after her release move. The gymnasts have about, I think, 30 seconds from when they release off the bar to get back on. They want to re-chalk, talk to their coach, see what went wrong. Unfortunately, she might have to repeat the skill because this is a release move that she needs for her routine. You know, it's hard when you fall to just really get it back all together and start the routine over. Hopefully she can pull it out. There she goes, same release move, caught this time around. Beautifully hit handstands. Angles are lovely. Release move from the high bar to the low bar. Back up to the high bar. Pirouetting giants, again, beautiful into her release move, a double back. Slight hop back on the landing, but a really solid routine. You know, the way she fell off at the beginning there, I'm sure it's so discouraging, but she really got it together, swallowed the fall, and had to go and complete her routine. Sylvie Seilnock just had a beautiful vault there. Seems like a powerful gymnast. Great block off the board.